Hello friends, welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to talk about the major forex pairs, commodities, indices and cryptos market, and we are going to talk about price action, technical analysis, a chart breakdown and potential trading setup. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to start with the AUDUSD. As we can see, the market is very bullish on AUDUSD. Starting from here, we have the high low, high low, and right now the price has broken and closed above the previous high, so we have made a higher high. And right now we might be looking for a potential higher low to continue this uptrend. If we find some kind of bullish price actions, we can go long. Otherwise, we are going to wait for the price to break and close above the previous high, and then we can wait for the retracement into the recent broken zones. Then we can go to the lower time frames, look for some kind of bullish price actions to go long in this market. Accordingly, we can target these areas on the left hand side as our potential target profit. Also, right now the price is trading below the 50 EMA, so definitely we can wait for the price to get a break and to give us a break and close above this area. In that situation, like the price will be trading above the 50 EMA as well, so that's another sign of a bullish market. So that's it. On New Zealand USD, as you can see, the price is looking very bullish at the moment. If we as price consolidated here and made a base, so if we say it's a high low, and right now the price has given a break and close above the previous high, so we are right now here between the high and the previous low. So right now, as you can see, same like the AUDUSD, the price is trading below the 50 EMA, so definitely let's wait for the price to give us a break and close above the previous high, and then we can wait for a retracement back into the recent broken zone. Accordingly, we can go to lower time frames to find some bullish price actions to look for long trades, and accordingly we can trade. Accordingly we can look to target these areas on the left hand side. So that's about New Zealand USD. EURUSD, as you can see, like other USD pairs, looks pretty bullish at the moment. Starting from here, we have the high low, a higher high, and as you can see, the price is also trading above the 50 EMA. So this is going to be an area of interest, guys, because the price has retested this area multiple times. It was a strong resistance before, but right now the price has broken and closed above this area, so this is going to act as a support. Also, the 50 EMA is also going to act as a support. Let the price retest this area. Accordingly, we can go to lower time frames and look for some kind of bullish price sections to go long, and then we can target these area on the left hand side as our potential target profit for the future long trade. So that's it about EURUSD. Next, we are going to talk about the GBPUSD. GBPUSD also very bullish. Starting from here, we have the high low, high low, high low. Right now the price has broken and closed above the previous high, so we are bullish, and right now we are going to wait for a retracement into the recent broken zone. Also, we can say this is going to be very strong zone. Before it was a resistance, but now the price broke and closed above this, so this area is going to act as a support to the price. Maybe by the time price reaches this area, this moving average might also catch up with the price and act as a support to the falling price. So this is going to be an area of interest. We can wait for the price to retest this area. Once it happens, we can go to lower time frames to look for some kind of bullish price actions to go long in this market, guys. So that's it, and accordingly we can target these areas on the left hand side as our potential target profit for the future. Next, we will talk about the USDCAD, guys. Starting from here, we have the low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then we have the lower low, and right now we can look for a potential lower high to go short in this market. So let's wait for the price to retest this area. At the same time, this moving average will also catch up with the price, and that will also be acting as a resistance to the price. So we can look for some kind of bearish price actions on the lower time frame in this area to go short. Initial target profit is going to be this one, and then we can target this and this area as our next potential target profit. Also, guys, this is going to be a strong resistance area. So if somehow we are able to get a break and close above this area, then in that situation we will be trading above this strong support resistance area. At the same time, we will be trading above the 50 EMA. In that situation, we can wait for a retest of this zone to go long and target these and this area on the left hand side. So these are the possibilities on USDCAD. USDJPY, guys, as we can see, the market looks very bullish. We are making higher highs and higher lows. So high high, high low, high high, high low, high high, high low, high high, and right now we are looking for a potential higher low to continue this uptrend, guys. But right now, as you can see, the price has given us a break and close below the 50 EMA. Anyways, we are bullish at the moment, so we can wait for the, also we can see, guys, this is going to be, this was like, this is a support and resistance area, strong support and resistance area, as the price retested this multiple times. Also you can see this line area where this is also an area where the price retested multiple times, so these are a strong area. Anyways, if we get some kind of break and close above this area, then definitely in that situation we will be above this strong support resistance area. At the same time, we'll be trading above the 50 EMA. Then we can wait for a retest of this area to continue higher, and we can like target this area as our potential target profit. So that is about the USDJPY. Next, it's natural gas. Starting from here, we have the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It's a kind of double bottom. Then we have the higher high, higher low, and then we have another higher high. So as you can see, the price has started making higher highs and higher lows, and right now we are into a strong support resistance area. So definitely, if we find some kind of bullish price actions on the lower time frames, we can look to go long and target these areas on the left hand side to continue long. Now let's talk about the US oil. US oil, guys, looks very bullish as we are making higher highs and higher lows. So starting from here, we have the low, high, higher low, high high, higher low, high high, higher low, high high, higher low, and right now the price broke and close above the previous high. So right now, guys, there are two possibilities. One possibility is price can come back to retest this recent broken zone and then give us a long trade, and the second possibility is price just directly give us a break and close above this area. In that situation as well, we can wait for a retest of this recent broken zone to go long. So these are the two possibilities that I can see at the moment on US oil. Next, we'll be talking about silver. So starting from here, it's a low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then it's a lower low, lower high, higher low. Let's do it this way, guys. It's a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then we broke and close above this high. It's a higher high, higher low. So we can say the market is bullish at the moment, and right now we are just under this resistance. So in this market, guys, as we can see, the price is also trading below the 50 EMA. So it's better to wait for the price to get us a break and close above this strong resistance area. In that situation, we can wait for a retest of this recent broken zone, and we can target these areas on the left hand side as our potential target profits for the long trades in the future. So now let's talk about the gold. Gold, starting from here, we have the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, kind of double bottom or the same low. Then we have the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and right now the price broke and close above the previous high. So we are kind of retesting this area. So what we can do, guys, as you can see, there is a strong resistance area above. So I think it's better to wait for the price to give us a break and close above this area. In that situation, we can wait for a retest of this zone and target these areas on the left hand side as our potential target profit for the future. So all these areas can be target for the future. So that's about gold, guys. Now let's talk about what's happening on S&P 500. S&P 500, guys, starting from here, we have the high low, then we have the high high, higher low, same high, lower low, then lower high or the same high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So as you can see, the market is very bullish. We are making higher highs and higher lows at the moment. So also we can see, guys, this has been an area of interest where the price rejected this area multiple times. So what we can wait, guys, if we get a break and close above this area, then we can wait for a retest of this zone and target these areas on the left hand side to go long in the market. That's going to be about S&P 500 on US 30, guys. Same like S&P 500, we are bullish. We have the high high, high low, high high, higher low or lower low. okay, whatever the case may be. We have the lower high, higher low, and then we have the higher high and higher low. So as you can see, the market is very bullish on US30 as well. Also, we can see, guys, this is this is an area where the price rejected it multiple times. So if we get a break and close about this area, we can wait for the retest of this area to go long on the left hand side. This is going to be the highest point, so the future targets depend upon the market structure and how it behaves. So that's about US30. Next, now let's talk about the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, guys, starting from here, we have the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So as we can see, the market is making lower lows and lower highs, so we are pretty much bearish, and the market is also trading above the below the 50 EMA, so we are definitely bearish. So if the price reaches this area at the time, the 50 EMA will also be acting as a resistance to the price, so we can look to go short. Initial target profit is going to be this one, then we can target this area and this area on the by seeing at the left hand side. These will be our potential target profit for the short trades. Now if that doesn't happen, and suppose price gives, as you can see, this is going to be a strong area, guys, because it has been retested multiple times. So if we get a break and close above this area, and at that time the price will also be trading above the 50 EMA, so we can wait for the price to retest this recent broken zone, and then we can target these area, as we can see on the left hand side, for the long trade. So that's about Bitcoin. Now if we talk about Ethereum, guys, starting from here, we have the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we are making lower lows and lower highs. Also, we are trading below the 50 EMA, so we are definitely bearish. As you can see, the price is finding some kind of resistance in this area, because this was a previous zone where the price reacted multiple times. So we might get rejected from this area. If that happens, if we find some short trades, we can target this area, this area, this area on the left hand side. If that doesn't happen, the price might also retest this area, which is also a very strong resistance area, also the recent broken zone, and by that time this moving average will also act as a resistance to the price. In that case as well, we can also look for short trade targeting this area on the left hand side. If that doesn't happen and the price give us a break and close above this area, in that situation price will also be trading above the 50 EMA. In that situation, guys, we can wait for a retest of this recent broken zone and target this area on the left hand side by taking long trades. So that's it, guys. This was the analysis on the major forex pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptos market. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you really did like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel in order to support the channel and YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. See you in another video.